So in the front-end development world, these are called breakpoints. That is the point at which our layout changes based on size. So we could put these breakpoints inside of our CSS. You've seen the example over here of how to use a media query in our CSS. And so we could just resize this image using media queries there. But what we're doing here is telling the browser before it gets the image what size the image is going to be in the browser. And once it knows that, it can figure out which one of these images is the best size for that place. So if we bring our browser down as small as we can and refresh and look at our network, it looks like the logo 1000 is the one that's being pulled in. If we make it a bit bigger and refresh, looks like the same. If we make it bigger so that it drops down to the 300 pixels wide and we refresh, it bumps the logo down to the logo at 2x image, because that's the better image for this size on the screen. Now, if we were loading up this screen on an older machine that had a lower pixel density, it might pull in logo.png instead.